relation between E, G and K. ठीक है. So earlier what we derived the relation between E and G. Okay, between E and G, what relation we derived? 1 minute. E and G. The relation is E is equal to 2G into bracket 1 plus mu. Correct? I will give this as equation number 1. Between Young's modulus and bulk modulus, E is equal to 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. Earlier we derived. Okay, these are the two relations. Now I have to derive the relation between all these three constants. E, G, K. So what I will do from equation 1, I will try to find out the value of mu, this mu value. I will try to find out and I will put this value of mu in equation 2. From equation I will find out the value of mu and I will put it in equation 2 and then I will see what happens. Okay. So from equation 1 I can write E divided by 2G is equal to 1 plus mu. Correct. 1 plus mu. And now I can write mu is equal to E divided by 2G minus 1. I have to transfer this 1 to this side. It is positive here. If I transfer it to left hand side, it becomes negative. E divided by 2G minus 1 is equal to mu. Okay, mu is equal to E divided by 2G minus 1. Now put this value of mu in equation 2. So what I will get, E is equal to 3K, okay, I will use more bigger bracket, 1 minus, Dada, 1 minus 2 into E divided by 2G minus 1. Okay, what I have done, in place of mu, correct, baga, here 3K into 1 minus 2 mu. In place of this mu, I put it this value, E divided by 2G minus 1. Correct. Now I will just cross multiply. E is equal to 3K, 1 minus, I'll just have to multiply, not cross multiply, I have to multiply in the bracket. Minus 2, what I will do, I will multiply this 2 inside the bracket and 2 here also. Multiply 2 to this, multiply 2 to this. Let us observe what I will get. 2E by 2G minus minus, and here now this minus multiplied by this minus, it becomes plus. So this becomes plus 2 into 1. So it is 2 plus 2. Okay. Yes. E is equal to 3K, 1 minus 2 to get cancelled now here, 2 to get cancelled. Correct. 1 minus E divided by G plus 2. I can write 3K, 2 plus 1, now it becomes 3 minus E divided by G. Now take LCM. Take LCM. E is equal to 3K. LCM is G now. Therefore, it cross multiply with 3. 3G minus E. It becomes 3G minus E divided by G. LCM is G. 3G minus E divided by G. Now transfer this G to this side. Correct. Left hand side. I can transfer because this whole term is in multiplication. whole term is a multiplication, 3k multiplied by this. Therefore, I can transfer this g to this left hand side. E into g is equal to 3k into bracket 3g minus E. Okay. And now EG is equal to, just multiply this 3k into bracket this one. This multiplied by this, it becomes 9 kg, and 3k multiplied by E, it becomes 3ke. Okay. So it becomes 9 kg minus 3ke. Now take the terms of E at one side. This is a term of E, this is a term of E. Take to one side. So I will transfer this to left hand side. Here it is minus. So when I transfer it to this left hand side, it becomes plus. Therefore, I will write EG plus 3ke is equal to 9 kg. And now take E as common. E as common. G plus this, actually we are doing for getting a particular formula. You can stop at any stage, no problem. E into bracket G plus 3k is equal to 9 kg, or I can write E is equal to 9 kg divided by G plus 3k. E is equal to 9 kg divided by G plus 3. Okay. So this formula you can write in any manner, no problem. But the famous one is this one. Young's modulus now is expressed in terms of bulk modulus as well as shear modulus. Okay. So this gives us the relation between E as well as K and G. E is equal to 9 kg divided by G plus 3k. Okay. So this is the last one. Now, what is the use of deriving all these three formulas? Correct. E is equal to 2g into bracket 1 plus mu. E is equal to 3k into bracket 1 minus 2 mu. Okay. And this last one. Because if I know one elastic constant, there is no need to calculate, or there is no need to perform once again a test on the material and then calculate G. Correct आहे? हे आपण करायची का गरज आहे लक्षात घ्या. हे का काढलं आपण, डिराईव्ह का केले रिलेशन? कारण मला जर यंग्स मॉड्युलस माहिती असेल तर त्याच्यावरून मी, आणि म्यू जर माहिती असेल, यंग्स मॉड्युलस आणि म्यू ह्या दोन गोष्टी जर मला माहिती असेल तर मी उरलेले दोन मॉड्युलस काढू शकतो किंवा शकते. करेक्ट आहे? एकच एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करायचा, टेन्साइल टेस्ट, त्याच्यावरून यंग्स मॉड्युलसची व्हॅल्यू काढायची, म्यू काढायचा मटेरियलसाठी, आणि जर ह्या दोन गोष्टी आपल्याला माहिती असतील तर आपण उरलेले दोन मॉड्युलस काढू शकतो. त्याच्यासाठी पुन्हा वेगळी टेस्ट परफॉर्म करा आणि वेगळं परफॉर्म करून काढा, हे असं करायची गरज नाही. त्यासाठी आपण हे रिलेशन डेव्हलप केलेले आहेत किंवा डिराईव्ह केलेले आहेत.